Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Maria. I want to read script about the helix. Okay, I'd like to know the object which is main point of this talk. The helix. This is a fascinating mathematical object which touches many parts of lives. Movement, the natural world, the manufactured world, and our genetic makeup are all connected to the shape of the helix. A helix is type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylindrical shape in the form of spiral, like a screw or a spiral staircase. The helix is a very popular shape. Its nature because it's very compact and impact. Helices are sometimes referred to as nature's space saver. And architecture to the helix shape of spiral staircase is an effective option in building where space is very exciting. The most renowned type of helix is probably the double helix of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices of the curves around each other, a bit like a twist ladder. DNA contains the genetic information or code that determines and development and functioning of all known living things. The helix shape is very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in limited space of a cell. There are different types of helices. Helices can twist clockwise, right hand, or anti-clockwise, like hand. An interesting experiment is to hold clockwise helix, such as a corkscrew, up to mirror the clockwise helix appears to become counterclockwise. We can perceive examples of helices in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cable, screw, and ropes can be right hand or left hand helices. Helix that goes around a cone is called conical helix. Examples of conical helix are screw or the famous spiral ring design by architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helices are also prevalent in natural world. The horn of certain animal, viruses, seashell, and structure of plants. Flowers and leaves can all contain helices. The human umbilical cord is fake, a triple helix. With the discovery that helix is shape of DNA molecule, it is not surprising that the helix is found in so many areas. It is one of the most natural shapes in nature. Let's turn our attention now to the mathematical description of the helix. You'll need a pen and paper for the next part of the talk as I'm going to give you some variables to write down. Take your time to notice the difference. Thank you. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.